eventually embodied systems which are interacting with the world will need to learn about the world in ways that we do. And that may be the ones that lead us to truly general intelligence.
Or even in ways that are beyond us. Sendil in his talk the other day was talking about, ultra-human capability, like AlphaFold as an example. AlphaFold did something that no human could do. Whereas an LLM is largely trying to do what a human could possibly do, only faster and more efficiently. So that's sort of the distinction that I believe was being made the other day.
I agree. And I mean, this is also, I sometimes don't want to shortchange what LLMs have achieved. As much as I have problems with how it's being used and all that, the technology itself is pretty amazing. That, yes, so it can do what a biologist can, but the same LLM can also do what a physicist can at some level of abstraction. It can't discover new things, etc. But it has, it can teach you about biology. It can teach you about linear algebra. It can talk about something in history. All of it is in the same model, right? That is pretty amazing what has been achieved, right? And so, but yeah, it at this point at least it does not show any signs of going beyond the distribution of data that it has been trained on.